Hello, this is the Barbie Bungee Jump Experiment. The problem for this experiment is how many rubber bands will it take to get Barbie as close to the ground from a 4.79 meter drop as possible. First, you tie some string around her ankles, and then you tie 2 rubber bands onto the string. I believe the knot that was used to tie the rubber band was a figure 8 knot. Then you drop her from a measurable height, doing multiple trials and adding 2 rubber bands each time. Take note, you might have to go onto a chair to measure the height of a greater number of bands. This is our data, and this is the graph. As you can see, the graph shows a direct relationship between the number of bands and height. If you notice the bottom left corner of the paper, the graph does not start at 0 because of the height of the Barbie. We predicted that the number of rubber bands needed would be 32, but we pulled back to 30 just in case Barbie cracks her poor little crown. We created a y equals mx plus b formula to make the prediction. Mine was df equals 13.5 plus 34. PE energy was transferred into KE energy during the fall, and the KE energy was transferred into elastic PE energy when bouncing back up. The results we got were that we needed approximately 35 to 36 bands. The most likely reason for this is that the bands we used for the final drop were new, whereas during the experiments they were repeatedly used and stretched farther than normal. This concludes the Barbie jump experiment.